ಆದ್ಯಾ, ಈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡು, ನಾಳೆ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
ಹಲೋ ಪುಟ.
ಏನಿವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವೇನೋ?
ನಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಂದರೂ ತಪ್ಪು, ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದರೂ ತಪ್ಪು. ಕಾಫಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಬಂದೇ ರೀ, ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Dear diary, it has been long since I wrote. So much goes on all the time in my head, but finding the space to confide is difficult. Or you can just call me lazy. I wonder, why do everything that happens around me seems like a movie? I find it hard to involve myself, because when I involve, it is painful. I can't fake. Everything is too deep. They all tell me I'm the real good friend. Maybe because I listen to what they say just as they say. With heat mein alag, bheed se alag. I so get that line. I feel bheed mein alag all the time. Maybe because I'm bheed se alag too. I don't know. I just want to be the way I feel. Just want to speak what comes on my mind. Why do I feel no one out there will exactly know what I mean? The exact emotion, the exact feeling, the exact word. I feel so lost and lonely. Somehow, something seems to be choking me inside. Or is it just one of those days?
Adya. Hi.
Hi. How come here? All okay?
Yeah, not me. My brother. He's little unwell.
So, stay close by.
Yeah, right there. We have hardly met, no? Despite being in the same area.
I gotta go. See you.
When? What happened?
Nothing. I don't know. One of those days, maybe.
Are you sure? Because you seem a little lost. Something like that.
I might be. Bye.
Hey, what's your phone number?
Why?
So that I can call you later.
Hey, I mean, not used to talking on phone and all that. So,
That's okay. I mean, I understand if you don't want to give you.
hey, nothing like that. 224352.
Oh, mine is 224532. I don't even have to write it down. How cool is that?
Chalo.
Bye. Take care. ಆದ್ಯಾ, ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತೇನೆ?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ.
ಏನು ಓದ್ತೀಯೋ ಏನು, ಆ ದೇವ್ರೇ ಬಲ್ಲ.
ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ.
ಅದೇ ನಿಂಗೆ ಫೋನು.
ನನ್ಗ?
ಯಾರೇ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ?
ಯಾರೋ ಆಚರಂತೆ.
ಆಚಲ್ಲ? ಯಾರು ಆಚಲ್ಲು?
ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ವೇನ್ಮಾ? ಸಂಜೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಳು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ಲು, ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲು.
ನಿಮಗೆ ನಡುವೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಆದ್ಯಾ.
ಹಲೋ.
Hi.
Everything okay?
Yeah, I called to check if you were okay. Is it too late to call?
Yeah, I think It's after 10, so
I'm really sorry. I didn't see the time at all. Acha, I just wanted to check. Do you want to come home tomorrow?
home. Why?
Why? Do you need a reason to come home?
Actually, I don't go to anybody's home without a reason.
Okay, and why is that?
My mom's a strict teacher. She doesn't like me hanging out and all.
Okay, so how about you come home and we talk? Is that a good reason?
I don't know. I'll see. I'll try. ठीक है.
Okay, but try ठीक से.
Okay, so good night.
Yeah. Good night. Good night. Bittu. Yeah. मुखोलो.
Adya,
Yes, auntie. How are you?
I'm fine. Come.
Hi. I thought you wouldn't come.
Sit na. बैठो.
Yes, auntie.
आद्या, ये मेरी मासी हैं, मामी और मामा जी, और ये रिया और रुचि। और अक्षर को तो तुम जानती ही हो। अब मासी, ये आद्या है, यही रोड के एंड में ही रहती है। माँ की शॉप में मिली थी 1-2 बार, और कल क्लिनिक के बाहर मिली तो मैंने सोचा घर बुला लेती हूँ।
अच्छा किया. उसे भी चाय पिलाओ.
अरे
हाँ,
आंटी,
चाय
नहीं अभी पी के आई. नहीं.
मिठाई रखी है ना, वो लेकर आना.
हाँ, मिठाई तो चलेगी।
हाँ, अच्छे से खिलाओ. चाय पी लेना. मैं चलती हूँ. आई हैव टू गो टू द शॉप.
So who's winning? How are you feeling now, Akshay?
Yeah, much better.
He's winning. He keeps cheating, you know.
I don't cheat, okay? I just play better than you, that's it. That's why I don't play with you girls. You get emotional.
So really? You wanna play with me? Let's see who gets emotional.
Yeah, you play. I want you to beat him.
Yeah, as if I'm scared of you.
Come, let's play.
आप लोग एक ही कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं?
नहीं आंटी, I study in National College.
मासी मुझसे 1 साल बड़ी है, राइट?
Yeah, I'm in second year stats, and you?
First year commerce. I hate statistics.
Somehow I'm good at statistics.
Really? Then you can teach me. I don't understand a single word that they teach in college.
Sure. And that's how you win the game.
You have only won one board, okay? Don't brag now itself.
बिट्टू, बड़ी है वो तुमसे, ऐसे बात करते हैं?
Hey, it's okay. Bittu.
घर में कौन है?
Mom, Dad and me, auntie.
भाई बहन नहीं?
नहीं.
पापा क्या करते हैं आपके?
Publishing business. Mom's a teacher.
अच्छा है, दोनों कमाते हैं. बेटे यहाँ आ जाया करो जब अकेले हो जाते हो तब.
जी आंटी, I'll try. वैसे कॉलेज और कंप्यूटर क्लास में वक्त निकल जाता है and that's it. Where are you going,
I'm going
Bittu?
to the bathroom, okay?
Yeah.
So I'll leave.
So soon.
It's quite late already. Mom will be home any minute, so I have to go. So many questions.
सॉरी यू नो अबाउट एल्डर्स राइट और तुम पहली बार भी तो आई हो हमारे घर तो
All of you stay here?
No. My mama's family, they stay here. And my Masi, she stays with us. But I have one more Masi. She stays in America.
America, cool, yeah. And your dad?
My dad lives with his parents in Hassan. But he comes here once in a while.
But tell me, wasn't me coming about us talking?
Yeah, but you only got busy playing.
अच्छा जी और क्या करती मैं? You wouldn't even come out of kitchen. And kind of weird with so many people around.
Why? Isn't it fun to have so many people around?
Not even close to my relatives. Okay, I'll see you.
Okay. Hey, will you come tomorrow?
To play with your brothers and sisters.
If that makes you happy, then why not?
Some other time maybe.
Come now.
रोज रोज क्यों आए भाई? I'll have classes. I'll see you. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀನು
ಬೇಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಬಾ ಟೀ ಹೋಗೋಣ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ ಹೊರಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಣ್ಣ
ಆಚೆಲ್ಲ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ
ಆಯಿತು ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಬಾಯ್
आंटी
आजा आजा आजा।
बिट्टू नहीं है घर पे भेल ले आई थी उसके लिए
वो कहीं बाहर गया है खेलने के लिए।
आंचल नहीं है
अच्छा थी ना अंदर, रो रही थी।
क्यों कुछ हुआ क्या
वो कुछ पेपर की गड़बड़ी हो गई, थोड़े कम मार्क्स कुछ मिल गए। क्या मैं तो कहती हूँ पढ़ाई वढ़ाई का क्या इतना, शादी करके ही तो जाना है।
क्या हुआ बात नहीं करोगे हमसे Let me decide then. Show me your face. Show no. You look absolutely pretty, especially that red nose of yours. क्या हुआ कॉलेज में किसी ने कुछ कहा
My teacher has misplaced my papers. Everybody got their marks, but I didn't. And now she's saying she's gonna average my marks from previous papers.
अच्छा है ना you might get better marks.
No, I hadn't done that well earlier. Only this time I did really well, and I was expecting good marks.
Hi, Anjan.
So did you ask for retest?
Can I?
Of course. She lost the papers. It's her mistake. She has to agree, right? You want me to come and talk to her?
Would you?
Definitely, यार. कल आ जाओ college.
You know what? This is what I would have expected my parents to say. But they hardly care about my studies. And I just don't want to get married to someone and just... I want to do much more with my life.
Of course you will. Let's not let them marry you off, ठीक है? अगर ऐसा कुछ टाइम आया तो you run away. I'll help you.
You better do that. You know what? I want to be like you.
Like how? Lost and clueless.
Free. Independent. It's so easy to talk to you.
Don't cry. हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो अगर रोने का सेशन खत्म हुआ है तो कैन वी ईट दिस? For me? बंदे बंदे माराया बड़को बड़ा. हेलो.
Hello?
We just met.
I know. I just wanted to say thanks for talking to me.
मैंने प्यार किया नहीं देखी.
Oh, वो no sorry no thank you वाला फंडा. पता है. But still, thank you. It meant a lot to me.
Okay, you're welcome. खुश?
You know, thinking about it now, I feel maybe I was being a little silly.
Yeah, but endearingly silly.
Really? You must be the crazy one to think I'm endearing.
Not just me, even Shri thinks the same way.
Your friend? But he has met me only once, right?
क्या करे? That's the first impression you have given. Isn't it why months ago we started talking?
Has it been months only? I feel I've always known you.
Okay, I have to go. I have to change before mom comes.
Okay. Bye.
Oi, hang up.
You hang up.
Bye.
Hey, sorry I called you at this hour.
It's okay. What happened? Are you okay?
Can you come down and meet me?
Now? You're not calling from home? Are you outside?
You know what? It's okay, forget it.
Coming right now.
So late in the night. बाहर क्या कर रही हो?
Papa is here. And Ma and Papa are फिर से.
Fighting.
Yeah. I just couldn't handle it. And I came off.
You just walked out? You know what time it is?
I know. I shouldn't have disturbed you, right? I'm sorry. You know what? You just go back, okay? I'll just do something.
Hey. You're never a disturbance to me, okay? Don't let these things affect you so much. It's not worth it. And definitely not worth this.
I tried. But I just couldn't help it, you know. I know, I should have gotten used to it by now because they just fight so much.
No.
अरे यहाँ पे क्या कर रही हो? घर चलो. ये भी गए अपने मम्मी पर. उसी ने सिखाया होगा. रात भर घर से बाहर रहने के लिए.
पापा माँ को कुछ मत बोलो आप. अगर आपको हमारी जरा भी चिंता होती तो ये सब होता आज.
बस बहुत बोल चुके हो. अभी चलो.
अंकल हाथ छोड़िए प्लीज. प्लीज डोंट क्रिएट अ सीन हियर अब.
देखो तुमने बीच में मत बोलो. ये हमारा फैमिली मैटर है. चलो.